Hey, son, can I talk to you for a moment?
Sure, Dad. What's up?
I've noticed that you've been spending a lot of time with your friends lately.
Yeah, they're my buddies. We hang out and have fun together.
I understand, but I've also noticed that some of your friends may not be the best influence on you.
What do you mean, Dad? They're just my friends.
I know they're your friends, but sometimes it's important to choose friends who have a positive influence on you.
I don't get it, Dad. They're fun to be around and we have a good time together.
I'm not saying they're bad people, son, but I've seen them get into trouble before, and I don't want you to get mixed up in that.
But Dad, they're my friends. I can't just ditch them because you think they're troublemakers.
I'm not asking you to ditch them, son. I just want you to be careful and make wise choices about who you spend your time with.
I don't see why you're making such a big deal out of this, Dad. They're just my friends.
I know it might seem like I'm overreacting, but I love you and I want what's best for you. Sometimes that means making tough decisions, even if they're not easy.
I still don't understand, Dad. Why can't you just trust me to make my own choices?
I do trust you, son, but I also want to make sure you're making the right choices. And right now, I don't think hanging out with those friends is the best choice for you.
Fine, Dad. Whatever. I'll be careful, okay?
Thank you, son. That's all I ask. Just be careful and think about the consequences of your actions.
Yeah, I know. Thanks for talking to me, Dad.
Anytime, son. I'm always here for you, no matter what.